Hi, and welcome to another analysis by DMBFX. It is Wednesday, the 30th of November, and we're going to go ahead and look at our three currency pairs that we usually follow on a daily basis. We're going to have a look at the Euro USD, the GBP USD, and Euro versus the Swiss franc, both long term and short term. So, as usual, we're going to have a look at the Euro USD to begin with. And as you can see, there has been a bit of interesting stuff going on with the Euro USD. The pair pretty much spiked today around 200 pips within a couple of minutes after the announcement that six major banks will address the global money market problem. Went up to around the 135.34.4 level, as you can see up here. However, has gone down to the 134.430 level at the moment. If we have a quick look at the hourly chart for the Euro USD, you see a clearer view of this huge spike that we have here. We are currently in one of the sell zones at the moment, and we are above our long-term moving average, pretty much because of the huge spike that we had here. If we have a closer look at the individual charts, you obviously see, because of the huge spike here, you see that the euro is in charge. It is the boss at the moment, trending up. We have a divergence. And if we see a bit closer at the individual ones, you see obviously that the euro trading quite way above its long-term moving average at the moment, whereas the dollar trading pretty much below its black line here. If we have a quick peek at the scalper, which is the probability indicator, you see a clear view of the spike that we had here. It went all the way up to the overbought territory here. However, pretty much peaked after that, and we do have the sellers who are in control at the moment. If we move on to the cable for today, you have pretty much the same scenario here as well. The GBP USD spiked up to the 157.820 level. However, it has reversed from that and is currently trading at the 157.012 level. If we have a quick zoom at the hourly chart, you see a clear view of the pair as well. You see that we had the spike here. We see the reversal here, and we are in one of the sell zones pretty clearly, as we see here, and we are pretty much above our long-term moving average at the moment. Quick peek at the individual charts will give you a clearer view of what's going on. You see obviously that the pound is in control at the moment, and obviously we are trading quite high up above our long-term moving average for the GBP USD, sorry. If we have a closer look at the dollar, pretty much the different scenario, another scenario for the dollar. We have been very, very high above our long-term moving average for the USD. However, due to the losses that we saw today, we obviously see that it is pretty much below its black line long-term moving average at the moment. If we have a look at the probability indicator for this pair, you obviously see no surprise here. We had the peak here as well. However, given the reversal that we're seeing at the moment, obviously the sellers do have the upper hand at the moment. If we move on to our final currency pair here, no major surprise really for the Euro CHF. It has been very, very bearish, went down all the way to the 122.513 level. Has pretty much been hovering around this level. However, it has started to bounce up a bit after this, and we are currently trading at the 122.674 area. Quick peek at the hourly chart, which will give you a bit of better view of this. You obviously see that we are in one of the buy zones at the moment. We are still in our below our long-term moving average at the moment. And if we have a look at the individual ones, you obviously see that the franc is in control. However, slightly, not too much though. If we have a quick peek at the individual ones, you obviously see that both currencies performing quite strong at the moment, which kind of gives rise to this undecided ranging sideways movement as we are seeing at the moment. And if we have a quick peek at the probability indicator for today, Wednesday, you obviously see that the sellers were predominantly in control. However, that has started to change in the past couple of hours, and we see that the euro has taken charge of the pair at the moment. That's pretty much it for the market analysis update for you today, Wednesday, the 30th of November. We thank you for watching, and as usual, if you have any more questions or suggestions, please check us out on www.dmbfx.com. Thank you very much.